Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both devices and enabling the phone features the controller needs. Turn on Bluetooth or plug a USB OTG adapter. This is the quickest way to make them see each other. Once done, put the gamepad into pairing mode. Hold the dedicated button until LEDs blink so the phone can find it. Make sure any required companion app or firmware update is installed. This prevents connection errors later and ensures full button mapping and vibration support. You now complete the connection and configure inputs. In Bluetooth settings, tap the gamepad name, accept any PIN prompt and watch for a solid LED to confirm pairing. If using USB OTG, plug directly and allow the phone to recognize the HID device. Next, open the controller app or game settings to map buttons. This fixes any swap triggers or dead zones. Make sure to test analog sticks and vibration. Adjusting dead zones prevents drift later on. You finish by validating the setup through a quick test. Launch a simple game or a controller tester app and verify all buttons respond. If something fails, disconnect and repair, toggle Bluetooth or reboot the phone and gamepad. This resolves most soft glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, update the controller firmware and inspect the OTG cable or adapter. A faulty cable or old firmware is the usual culprit, and replacing or updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.